What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I recorded myself changing my cabin air filter in my Tesla Model Y 2021. As you see right here, I have about 13,000 miles, almost 14,000, and I decided to change it after all this time. This tool right here is very important. It's a plastic pry tool. It helps a lot when you're pulling the molding off without breaking anything. Yeah, this part right here was a little tough, but I was able to get it done. It wasn't as bad as it looks. Yeah, you can see me fighting with it. I had to use a screwdriver to pull the little tabs out, but once you pull them down, they're pretty straightforward. This is your light and your speaker connection. You have to be very careful when you pull these out. You have to grab them by the connector and do not pull directly on the wire, or you break your speaker or your light connector. That's the last thing you want to do. Those are the two wires that's left. There it goes. Once you get that out the way, just move it to the side, and then now you can finish pulling the panel off. Those panels are a little rough. That's where that plastic pry tool come in handy. Now this right here is different than the old style because now the screw is at the bottom. It's a T20. You unscrew it. It's a lot easier once you get to it. Straightforward. Just pull it right out and you have access to it once you remove that door. Just pulls right out. You can grab the tab, and look how dirty this bad boy is. It's real dirty. That's like about 1.5 years worth of dust and road dirt. Yeah, as you see, there's two of them in there. Something easily you can be done by yourself. It's no big deal. Look, a piece of a bird feather got caught up in the vent. Poor bird. Probably had a bad day. But you can see how dirty it is, so I'm pretty sure that I got my money's worth from having these filters. Now the new filters, I got these filters off of Amazon. A link will be below. These filters is pretty economical, straightforward. They said it's better than the original ones. They got like a little charcoal thing in the back, I guess, to make you feel better. Have a better filtration. Putting it in just like the reverse, the tabs are on the top. You just slide it in. You have to fight with it a little bit. And plus I was holding the camera, so I was doing a one-hand action. So it was pretty much kicking my butt a little bit. And once you drop it in, you see I have to fight it a little bit. Now it's at the bottom. Now I go for the next one. There you go, just put it right on top. Then you just push it right in. You know, it's not real delicate. You can just fight with it. The filter is flexible. And the cover goes back on. Make sure that tab is facing inward. And it just go right up in there, straightforward. Go in, double checking. And it's straightforward. After you get it in there, you can feel it click right in. And it pretty much stays there. But you can't forget to put the screw in. On the old style, the screw was on the top, so you had to try to figure out a way to get the tool on top. Now it's at the bottom, so it's actually a breeze. That's it. The panel goes right back in reverse. Just put the side panel in. Now all you have to do is just connect the speaker wires up. 1, 2, 3. Got the first one in. Can't do it with the camera rolling. Got the second one in. There you go. Now this is the fun part. This is where gravity is not your friend. You gotta figure out a way to hold it up and put the little tabs in, which took me a little while. I got one in there. I got the other one, and then I'm gonna have the other two. You're gonna see me popping in. right, that's it. Everything is up, the light is working, everything's back to normal. It's about a good 30-minute job, especially if you have the tools. It's pretty straightforward. Now I put everything back in, and that's pretty much it. The job, like I said, is a 30-minute job. Real straightforward and easy. All right, everyone. Please like, share, subscribe, and I do my little Tesla how-to videos, and I check you in the next one. Peace.